Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can preview your email in Mailchimp. So let's start. It's really simple. All you have to do, I will show you. You need to be in campaigns, and when you're gonna create a campaign, and you're gonna fill everything here from email, and you will just begin with creating the campaign. You will be here where you can edit like your mail and everything, right? So what you want to do is go right top corner to preview, and then you're gonna see enter preview mode. So right now what will happen, this is how a person is going to see it on desktop, mobile, and how it's going to be. So with inbox, but you need to have like upgraded account for that. What I also recommend is send a test email to yourself, right? So I would just send test. Nice. You can also add this, if you want to add it to your team and send it to your team, you can test it out by if you want to. And yeah, so let's just see if it's sent already or no. Test WordPress, look at this. And we can see the perfect test mail here. And this is pretty much it. So this is how we can enter preview mode in Mailchimp. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day.